A very good morning to all. Myself Anshul Avasthi from Electronics and Communication Department of Rajiv Gandhi Government Engineering College, Kangra. In this video, we will discuss about the smart antenna. So let's start. First of all, we know about the content that we covered in this video. In this video, we will discuss about the introduction part of the smart antenna. Types of the smart antenna. Comparison between different antennas, advantages, drawbacks, applications, conclusion, and the future scope of the smart antenna. Basically, antenna is an electrical device which convert electric power into electromagnetic waves और वाइस वर्सा. ऐसा डिवाइस जो कन्वर्ट करे इलेक्ट्रिक पावर को इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स में और इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स को इलेक्ट्रिक पावर में, उसे हम एंटीना कहते हैं. Now we will discuss about the basic definition of the smart antenna. Smart antenna system combine multiple antenna elements with signal processing capability to optimize its radiation and reception pattern automatically in response to the signal environment. ऐसा सिस्टम जो कंबाइन करे मल्टीपल एंटीना एलिमेंट्स को सिग्नल प्रोसेसिंग कैपेबिलिटीज के साथ टू ऑप्टिमाइज इट्स रेडिएशन एंड रिसेप्शन पैटर्न ऑटोमेटिकली इन रिस्पॉन्स टू द सिग्नल इन्वायरमेंट, उसे हम स्मार्ट एंटीना कहते हैं. अगर हम स्मार्ट एंटीना की बात करें तो ये हर एक डायरेक्शन में सिग्नल को ट्रांसमिट और रिसीव करता है. इसको हम एडप्टिव एरे एंटीना और मल्टीपल एरे एंटीना भी कहते हैं. अगर हम स्मार्ट एंटीना का कंपैरिजन करें रिकन्फिगरेबल एंटीना के साथ तो दोनों में एक बेसिक सा डिफरेंस रहेगा. जो हमारा रिकन्फिगरेबल एंटीना रहता है उसमें हम सिंगल एलिमेंट का यूज़ करते हैं, लेकिन जो हमारा स्मार्ट एंटीना रहता है उसमें हम एंटीना एरे का यूज़ करते हैं. एंटीना एरे आप बोल सकते हैं जैसे कि सेट ऑफ द ट्रांसमीटर्स, सेट ऑफ द रिसीवर्स एक्सेट्रा. अगर हम इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव की बात करें तो इसका जो मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव रहता है वो डिज़ायर लोकेशन में मैक्सिमम गेन, मैक्सिमम आउटपुट सिग्नल को प्रोवाइड करना होता है. Now we will discuss about the types of the smart antenna. So basically there are two types of smart antenna. One is switched beam antenna and the other one is adaptive array antenna. In switched beam antenna, a finite number of fixed predefined pattern. In adaptive array antenna, an infinite number of pattern that are adjusted in a real time. Now we will discuss about the types of the smart antenna in briefly. First of all, we discuss switched beam antenna. This system forms multiple fixed beam with heightened sensitivity in a particular direction. As the mobile unit move throughout the cell, the switched beam system detects the signal strength and continually switches the beam as necessary. It subdivides sector into many narrow beam. Then each beam is considered as individual sector serving user or group of users. PSN, which stands for phase shifting network, which form multiple beam pointing in a certain direction. RF switches trigger the right beam in the desired direction. This is the block diagram of the switched beam system. The selection of right beam is made by control logic, which is governed by an algorithm. The algorithm will scan all the beam and select one stronger receiving signal based on a measurement made by the detector. The overall goal of the switched beam system is to increase the gain according to the location of user. अगर हम switched beam एंटीना की बात करें तो इसका जो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पैटर्न रहता है वो फिक्स रहता है. साथ ही साथ इसका जो मेन गोल रहता है वो इंक्रीज करना होता है गेन को या फिर आउटपुट सिग्नल को अकॉर्डिंग टू द लोकेशन ऑफ द यूज़र. Now we will discuss about the second part of the antenna, that is adaptive array antenna. Adaptive array antenna are able to dynamically react to the changing RF environment with its finite pattern. It can change the main beam toward the signal of interest while suppressing the antenna pattern in the direction of interfere. It can customize an appropriate radiation pattern for each individual user. This provides optimal gain while simultaneously identifying, tracking and minimizing interfering signals. ADC, which convert analog to digital for further processing. DC, which convert from RF to IF. WS stands for complex weight. It contain amplification and phase information. अगर हम एडप्टिव एरे एंटीना की बात करें तो इसका जो काम रहता है वो डिज़ायर लोकेशन में मैक्सिमम आउटपुट गेन या मैक्सिमम आउटपुट सिग्नल को प्रोवाइड करना होता है। साथ ही साथ ये हर एक इंडिविजुअल यूज़र को कस्टमाइज रेडिएशन पैटर्न प्रोवाइड करता है। Now we will discuss about the comparison of switched beam antenna and adaptive array antenna. First of all, we discuss the integration criteria. The switched beam antenna is easy to implement as compared to the adaptive array antenna, as well as the cost of the switched beam antenna is low as compared to the adaptive array antenna. Now we will discuss about the range and coverage criteria. The coverage of the switched beam antenna is more than conventional system, but the coverage of the switched beam antenna is less than the adaptive array antenna. Now we will discuss about the interfere rejection. Difficulty in distinguish between desired signal and interfere. Does not react to the movement of interferes, focusing in an error capable of nulling interfering signal. Now we will discuss about the advantages of smart antenna. Enhanced coverage through range extension, fully controllable by software, so less manual operation. Reduction in transmitted power, provides high security, improves system capacity, more compatible than conventional antenna. Now we will discuss about the drawbacks of the smart antenna. So basically there are two drawbacks. First one is the expensive, and the second one is the transceiver are much more complex than traditional base station transceiver. Now we will discuss about the applications. Electronic warfare as countermeasure to electronic jamming, cellular and wireless network, satellite system, military, etc. Now we discuss about the conclusion. Smart antenna vastly improve the efficiency of wireless transmission. Smart antenna system can achieve high transmission data rate and coverage area. Smart antenna system are software controllable. The future scope of the smart antenna. Analyze the RF environment. Estimate how signal are transformed as the propagate between base station and subscriber unit. Selectively transmit multiple co-channel signal to subscriber. Ensure high quality signal throughout the network. Minimize transmitted power required to accomplish this goal. These are the references from which the material of this PPT or the material of this video has been covered. There are some YouTube channel links, some SlideShare links, and the antenna and wave propagation by GSN Raju. Thank you everyone for watching this. I hope आपको समझ आया होगा. Thank you.